Today we're going to show you how to eliminate the orange light from your Delonghi coffee machine. To do that, we're going to decale the machine using baking soda. We'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the entire water tank. Then we'll finish filling it with water and mix it well. Here's a little tip, I did this on my own without watching any videos, and of course, things went a bit wrong. We filled the tank with water and baking soda, but mixing it inside the machine was very uncomfortable. We tried mixing it directly in the tank, but it didn't mix properly. So, we ended up pouring everything out and mixing it in a separate container. As you can see, we tried using a long knife, but it was hard to reach the corners properly. So we poured it out, mixed it well outside, and then poured it back in, things you learn the hard way. Once everything is mixed, we proceed with the descaling. To do that, press the steam button for 10 seconds. Hold it down, and you'll see the lights start blinking. The 1 cup, 2 cup, and steam lights all start blinking. Now we open the steam valve and press the steam button. And the descaling process begins. You'll see it starts releasing water through the steam outlet. Because the steam valve is currently open. When we close the valve, it starts descaling through the coffee outlets. So we'll alternate between the two. First, a bit through the steam, and then we switch the valve to let it flow through the coffee spouts. I'm using baking soda because most people already have it at home. You should use water with vinegar after this process. I'll still leave a link to the official Delonghi descaler from Amazon in case you want to use that instead. Now we begin descaling through the coffee spouts. Once the glass is full, we switch the valve. We empty the steam cup so we can use it again if needed. During the second rinse, you'll see I aimed the steam outlet directly into the sink. Why bother filling glasses when it can go straight into the sink? Another tip for you, I realized it a bit late, but you'll see it soon. Now it's still descaling. You'll see the orange light blinking during this process. It keeps flushing water through, and now it's almost done. Now we thoroughly clean the water tank to remove all the baking soda solution. We refill it with clean water to rinse the internal pipes and get rid of any baking soda residue. This will make sure there's no salty taste left behind. We insert the clean water tank and run more water through the system. It starts descaling again with clean water. We switch the valve once more to change the outlet. And now, like I said, I'm letting the steam outlet run directly into the sink. This way, as you can see, the water goes straight into the sink, no need for extra cups. This is a tip I thought of too late, but if you do it from the beginning, it'll save you time. You can just place a cup under the coffee spout, and that's it. Now you can see the bottom part of the machine. To finish descaling, turn the selector dial to this position. Let the remaining water flow through here. And then turn the knob back to hot milk when you see only clean water coming out. And now the descaling is complete. As you can see, the 2-cup lights are blinking, and the last bit of water is coming out. Now we close the steam valve, and the lights stop blinking, they stay steady. That means the orange light has disappeared, and the machine no longer needs descaling. We can now make a normal coffee, it would come out through here. This is regular coffee mode, and I'll also show you the steam function to confirm it works. Now our descaling is finished. Before you go, if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe. And here you can see the steam function working. Press steam, and now it releases real steam. No more descaling flow. Turn off the steam, and the machine is now ready to make coffee. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe. And see you in the next videos.